Benoy! Balot! Benoy! Benoy! Balot! Balot! Pogi, ganda. Balot kayo dyan. Tama. Balot! Ate, balot mo kayo dyan.
Hi, hello mga ka-friendlies, and we're here again to another YouTube vlog.
Yours truly, Francine! And today, ang video ko lang naman is about my
And have you heard
araw.
the
Here's my fit.
Never in my life am I gonna eat that. Yeah, me too.
Hoy, loko yun ah! Snatcher! Ma'am, atap mo yung snatcher. Pero nakuha ko sa wallet.
Ala, Ulti, nakita mo na, di ba nakasubscribe ka kay Francine? Oo. Tingnan mo to, may bago siyang post, oh. Yung nagtitinda ng balot. Ay, oo, nakasubscribe ako dyan. Pero try natin. Sige. Oy, kuya, sikat ka na ah. Oo nga, nakita namin yung post eh.
Talaga ba?
Sige nga, dalawang balot nga dyan. Patry naman. Try natin yan. Hey, Miss. Just try this balot. Try this na. You know, yes. Don't eat that. No. Just try it. It's good. Come here, come here.
Miss, I'll teach you how to eat this. Like this.
Tama, kuya.
Welcome po.
Uy, bye-bye. 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 Bye. But it is good. I think I'm gonna try other Filipino foods now.